So hello friends, me Akash Saxena and you are watching the English Journey from here on this channel, English Journey from here. So you know this channel is special for those persons who want to speak English in a short time in a right way. So I am daily uploading the videos on YouTube because we also want to speak English and we are just improving our English language. Okay, so here are many people who want to speak English but nobody can speak because they don't follow too much long time and he skip that thing. Okay, so if you really want to speak English, so you have to practice daily by daily. You have to involve yourself in English continuously for a long time, not a short time. If you will learn anything, so you have to give too much time at that things which you want to learn. Okay, so English not easy. It's not a difficult, but it not easy. Okay, because when you want to learn, so you have to just speaking means not just speaking, you have to just reading, listening, watching, okay, and analyzing some vocabularies. The vocabulary is the main things which can help your increase English. Okay, because when you will know about many vocabularies, so you can speak easily with the help of that vocabularies, otherwise you can't, you never. Okay, so it's a main thing, and here are many grammar things matter. Okay, which grammar portion you have to complete first for speaking English. So here are many things I will tell you, so listen to me carefully. For speaking English, you have to complete firstly your grammar means you have to complete your sentences, not a tense. First sentence, okay, and after that you have to complete tenses, tense, present, past, future. When you will complete, so you are able for you are able for speaking. When you will you know where is use, is, am, was, were, will, sell, extra things. Okay, and after that when you will complete your tenses, then you will complete your parts of speech. After that you can learn some what active, passive, direct, indirect, vocabularies, one word substitutions, idiom, phrases, synonyms, antonyms, many things. Okay, when you will learn daily by daily, so you can easily speak English. Okay, it's a basic rule of English. When you will follow these things, so you can easily improve your English without hesitation. Okay, and you can speak English any stranger, in front of any strangers, no matter you know that person and you are no. Okay, so the basic rule of English speaking, that daily by daily speaking, reading, listening, and watching. Just like you can open your camera and try to speak many sentence. Now I'm here to explain things which I am doing for speaking English. So you have to also doing these things, otherwise you can't learn English, can't speak English, and can't teach English. Okay, and you know English is a very useful language. Firstly you can learn, and after that you can teach, and you can, yes. Okay, so English is not a waste of time. It's a very useful things, and here are many peoples who know about English and whose English is very good, so they can daily use English and teach English and earn money. So okay, you can also earn money with the help of English speaking. You can open your institute. Okay, so it's a very useful things. So you have to daily by daily practice listening, reading, watching. I am telling again and again, and okay, so it's enough for you. If you are beginner, so it's enough for you. When you will complete this thing first, and after that you can easily speak English. Here I am sitting here, and you have to just think in English when you are free, when you are inside at your home and outside of your, in the market area, in the garden, in the school, college, roadside. Okay, so you have to just explain things. How you can explain in English? Just like I am sitting on the chair, and here are my camera and I am shooting the video. Okay, and here are some lights, and what thing just like in front of me, here are gate, and here are some clothes, and in outside the fan is on, and here is a uns is playing. Okay, uns. Okay, and oh, what happening? Oh, here are some shortage of lights, so avoid it, because the matter is what your words, your thoughts, what you are speaking. Okay, so oh, it's a very amazing, it's nice looking. Am I right? Yes, it's looking very good. Ans,
Yes.
please turn on the light. What happening in that thing?
I don't know.
Okay, just check it.
Why it's so
Turn on. What happened? So guys, forget it, avoid it. Okay, you have just listen my words and you have to just speaking means daily speaking. When you will speak daily by daily, so you can easily speak English. Otherwise, here are many people who want to speak but no one speak clearly. Why? Because they are not following that rules: reading, listening, watching and speaking. The main thing is what? Speaking. When you will speak, so you can speak easily English. Otherwise you can't speak, you never speak. Okay, just I have example. Here are many examples for teaching. Just like a small child. Okay, small child want to run, but in the beginning he stand up and just try to walk and fall down. Okay, and after that again he stand up and then walk, then try to walk and again fall. Okay, but the child daily by daily practice, daily by daily try, then he can walk easily and after some time he can run easily. Okay, so it's a very important thing. You have to just listen. Okay, so reading, listening, watching and try to practice. When you will do more practice, so you can improve your easily English. Okay, so bye, we will meet the next video. Okay.